Hello and welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make brown sugar using two simple ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of regular granulated sugar as well as 1.5 teaspoons of molasses. So what we're first going to do is get our bowl and add the sugar in. And now we are going to add our molasses into it as well. Now what you're going to do is give this all a good mix. And I'm just going to mix it with my spoon at first, and then I'm going to start mixing it with my hands. You can also use food-safe gloves if you have them. So I'm just going to take off the molasses from the spoon, and I'm just going to mix all of the molasses and sugar together until they are well combined. So here is our beautiful brown sugar. If you want a darker color, feel free to add more molasses, as the more molasses you add, the darker and more rich the color will be. I have added 1.5 teaspoons, and I also added half of an extra teaspoon just so I can get this beautiful golden brown color. If you're looking for a darker color, add 1 to 1.5 teaspoons more, or if you're looking for a lighter color, just add a little less. And that's the recipe. You just made yourself brown sugar using just 2 easy ingredients. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. Till the next recipe, bye-bye!